Holy smokes, and welcome to the desert in Dubai. I've got 3 supercars behind me, 2/3 of each, standing in the desert, and the other 2 wheels on the tarmac. Doesn't get much better than that. Anyways, here we go, our very first car, the Spofec Cullinan Overdose. Note, Overdose, not Overdose S. Overdose S is what comes, it's like the Gen 2 of the Overdose kit. If you have an Overdose like this and you've seen the Gen 2, the Overdose S kit that we've made, and if you haven't, you can click on that link over there. But here we've got a full-blown Overdose version. You can see the wider body over here, the SP 2 wheels. We now have the SP3 out as well. If you want to see that on the Spectre, on the Phantom Series 2, check out the links at the top. All along the side skirt, just making it nice and wide. This car has a lowering module, which means that there's no suspension build with springs to make it low. It basically is programmed to be able to ride lower than the standard version, but you still have all the options to up the ride in case you want to go off-road, like in the desert, for example. This one's also kitted out with our sports exhaust system, which will make that V12 rumble just a little bit louder. This is the car that I came here with. Whew. I had sweaty palms. It's not often that I get sweaty palms, I swear to you. This here is the Pista Spider. I had a phenomenal privilege of driving with this owner, and I'll tell you why it's a privilege, because he had the complete Novitec exhaust system fitted in this beauty of his, and then once the car was done, it was shipped to the location where he picked it up today and came out here to drive it for the first time. So it was his first experience. I was with him in the car. Maybe I'll just play the clip of what he said now.
It's too good. It's too good. If you don't have one, just get it right now.
So there you have it, a very satisfied owner with his full Novitec exhaust system in the Pista. This one does not have any springs. It rides on the standard wheels, no spacers. And I mean, it's a Pista. It's freaking bloody nice, and it's not going to change much. But the fact that it has an exhaust system now with the roof down and all of that bellowing into your ears is just gorgeous. So, what do we got here in horsepower? This is normally we at just over 700 horsepower, and with the exhaust system without the N-Tronic you at about 730. Put in the N-Tronic from Novitec and you are scratching just over 800 horsepower, which is definitely something I recommended to this owner. Next up here, the 812 Coupe. There's so much to love about this car and so little to not love about it, i.e. nothing. This is so loud. We went underneath the bridge. The noise, unbelievable. 840 horsepower in this monstrosity. The GTS is coming, which means it's not got a roof, and it's even louder, more visceral, just like you got in the Spider. This, of course, with a complete Novitec exhaust system. What an absolute blast of a car, and incredibly loud. What was really interesting is that these three were driving next to each other at certain stages and going like 1, 2, 3, go. And it was very interesting for me as a passenger to see which car over time pulled in front of the other one. You'll see the pictures, you decide for yourself. Then we left with this over here, this absolute gorgeous F8. in black with some black gloss stripes in a bit of matte with some red touches. The interior blood red as well. Just gorgeous, this thing. I love it. I absolutely love it. This has the NF10 wheels. It has a complete exhaust system as well. No springs, which I suppose you guys can clearly see, and even from the B-roll shots, it just causes the cars to ride a little bit. I told you that the GTS with the Novitec exhaust system is going to come and interrupt our talk. Thank you, brother. Wow, you guys are nuts. I think what's left for us to do now is to pop in with some of these guys and go for a little drive. See you in the car. Full Novitec exhaust system.
Yeah, complete exhaust system, X-pipe, downpipe, got a little beautiful button here.
Yes.
Does all the magic. In my opinion, the best way to express yourself is with this V12, the full Novitec.
Right now, this is, dude.
Look, you've driven every possible combination of Novitec, Ferrari, V12 out there.
Yes, but nothing with pops and gurgles.
This is up there.
This is up there. The whole thing is up there, brother. Look at this. You can see what I'm seeing.
So, how was your Uber ride?
Thank you very much. Very good. Tips on the way.
Habibi, come over to Dubai, you know. And when I started this video, I actually said save the best for last. All the best for last now.
All the best for last.
The system that I have from Novitec on the McLaren, it's pushing over 1,000 horsepower. So once you're done with everything, you're obviously recharged and refreshed your memory on what every car can possibly do.
Change my underwear.
That's probably going to be after the McLaren. I promise you, you will never have seen a car reach 300 that quick. You can probably, like we were driving safe, so we probably did like 280 and then we let off the gas.
Yeah.
On that car at about 300, you're like, oh, okay, I can probably do 400. Yeah.
So, guys, you've heard it. Next in the lineup, I think I'm going to go for the F8 then for the Pista Spider, then for the A12 Coupe, and then Blue Demon.
The Blue Demon.
Let's do it. So we're in F8 now. We've got a full pipe, straight pipe, pretty much straight pipe. Why did you buy the F8?
The F8 is a great, reliable car from Ferrari, which I was looking for, and I had a big problem with another brand I will not mention, and I decided I want to go Ferrari, and this was the best in the lineup.
Show me why. You know what I love about you guys? You really don't mind the limiter.
Oh, absolutely.
There's a very distinct noise that comes from an F8. That's unlike anything. That Pista sounds completely different.
Absolutely.
Completely different.
For me, the F8 is it reminds me of the 458 when it came out, that exhaust tone on a naturally aspirated. This has a twin turbo setup.
Yeah.
There's no turbo lag.
No.
It's absolutely just wild. Just
love that when that happens. Just love it when that happens. Yes! Oh, mother! Oh, mother! Stunning. Holy cow. Woo! It's so much different when I'm not driving. Sweaty palms and joy all at the same time. You people are a bit different here.
Oh, yeah.
I love it.
live on the edge.
Live on the edge, yeah. Woo!
It looks like a shake.
Yeah, it's got the number 3.
Definitely.
So just by the way, over here, the lower the number, the more expensive. How expensive?
Which is around 4 or 5 million units.
For a number plate. Back into my skull. Oh mother, this is a good road. This is a good road. Man, that sunset.
fast.
If you guys could see that sunset, that's about as much worth as that number plate, I tell you. Wow. Right guys, thank you for joining us in the F8. And after this, I want to hear you guys tell me which car you will take home. Champ, thank you so much. These people are my kind of Mensa. We are in the Pista right now. Complete Novitec Sport exhaust system. That was great. This Pista is feisty as heck. Honestly, it is feisty. Things might just be a little bit loud in here, but boy oh boy, that exhaust system is a game changer, giving you about 30 horsepower more. This does not have the N-tronic, and he's seriously considering the N-tronic. This thing is like a bullet! She sticks. Launch. Oh! Oh, this Pista is another level. Oh, and that sunset is just taking my breath away. It's incredible how these cars just all have their own individual personality. Pista is just feisty. She is a feisty girl. What a champ. Yeah, you just sitting like James Bond. Like, I'll go and change my pants. Thank you so much. Okay, break. That's the police.